Galaxy S22 series will cost the same as last year's models in Europe. US buyers are facing a $100 price hike across the board. We compiled a table below that compares the Galaxy S21 generation with the upcoming S22 models. Note that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will likely start with 8GB of RAM instead of 12GB like last year's Ultra, although that may not be the case for the US model, given the higher price. The S22 and S22 Plus should keep their memory configurations the same. It's not clear what pre-order goodies and trade-in deals Samsung will offer this year, but they better be good to make up for that extra $100 on all three models. For the S21 series, Samsung offered up to $200 credit and a free Galaxy Smart Tag in the US and Galaxy Buds Live Plus Smart Tag in Europe. Here's a screenshot of the survey. Unfortunately, it makes no mention of pre-order goodies. The Samsung Galaxy Unpacked seems to be scheduled for February 9. Samsung is yet to officially confirm the date. It is expected that this upcoming phone will come with a 6.8 inches (17.27 centimeters) display that will have a resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels. Hence, you will have an immersive viewing experience while playing games or watching videos. The phone is touted to come with 12GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. You will not have to worry about space constraints while saving your files such as videos, songs, games, documents, and more. In addition to this, the upcoming phone is rumored to be powered by octa-core 1x 2.84 GHz Cryo 680 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 680 and 4x 1.80 GHz Cryo 680 processor that will let you enjoy a smooth and faster performance. Also, you will be able to access multiple applications and play intense graphics games without. Besides the phones, it will bring the new Galaxy Tab S8 series of tablets as well. The Euro pricing for those has also leaked. For the US, the base Tab S8 is expected to start at under $850, the Tab S8 Plus at $900 $1,000, and the flagship Tab S8